PressurePro PULSE can monitor tractor-trailer setups using the standalone method or drop-in hook. For programming, simply place the display into program mode. Once the display says Attach Sensor Waiting, simply screw the sensor onto the valve stem and wait for a response from the display. Once the pressure reading appears on the display, the pulse has recognized the sensor. Repeat the programming process for each tire. Once the programming process is completed, you will now have a visual of each tire's pressure reading. In our overview, we can tell the vehicle's tires are not all inflated properly. The service tech is now aware which tires need to be inflated and can add air specifically to those locations.